Big things do come in small packages. CME Group is launching Micro E-mini futures contracts, a new, smaller-sized suite of futures contracts for 4 major indices: S&P 500, NASDAQ 100, Russell 2000, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average. These contracts allow market participants an efficient and cost-effective way to gain exposure to 4 key indices. All 4 of the Micro E-mini futures are 1/10 the size of their respective E-mini futures counterparts, allowing all traders futures exposure without the notional constraints of the larger contracts. For example, while a single E-mini S&P 500 futures contract has a value of $50 times the agreed-upon E-mini futures price, the Micro E-mini S&P 500 futures contract has a value of $5 times the agreed-upon price. The Micro E-mini contract multiplier varies by product. While both the Micro E-mini S&P 500 and Micro E-mini Russell 2000 have multipliers of $5, the Micro E-mini NASDAQ 100 has a $2 multiplier, and the Micro E-mini Dow Jones Industrial Average has a 50-cent multiplier. So let's look at a specific example. If the S&P 500 index is trading at 2750, the notional value of one Micro E-mini S&P 500 futures contract is $13,750. Similar to the E-mini, the tick increments of the Micro E-mini S&P 500 are quoted in 1/4 of 1 point. A 1-tick move in the Micro E-mini S&P 500 equates to $1.25. A 1-point move, which is 4 ticks, is worth $5. This equates to a smaller, more affordable way to access one of the most liquid equity futures in the world. The tick increment of the other 3 Micro E-mini contracts vary according to the contract multiplier. The Micro E-mini futures contracts trade Sunday through Friday, almost 24 hours per day. Micro E-mini futures expire on a quarterly basis, settling in cash to the spot value of their respective index on the 3rd Fridays of March, June, September, and December. The Micro E-mini futures contracts operationally function and provide the same benefits as their E-mini counterparts, except for their smaller contract multiplier. These benefits include portfolio diversification, capital efficiency, which is provided by margin offsets with other benchmark CME equity index products, and precision and flexibility in tailoring exposure and managing risk. Discover how a smaller Micro E-mini futures contract opens the world to greater trading possibilities. For additional information, including contract specifications, please visit cmegroup.com/microemini.